I'm presuming you look at multiple quadrants for all your wealth clients, HNIs or ultra HNIs, as the case may be. And you divide it between, say, fixed income, equities, maybe a bit of real estate, and so on and so forth, and maybe crypto, I don't know. But so how have the allocation percentages changed between the quadrants? And I know it will be different for different clients, but largely as a summary, what is the broad change?
Yeah, and that's a good question. Thank you, Neeraj. And it's pertinent because from 2021 going into 2022, we dialed back on equities a little bit. So in our aggressive profiles, actually equities were at peak about 80-85% of the asset allocation. So we've dialed it back to, let's say, about close to 70%. And for a moderate profile, equity would have been dialed back from about 55% to about 45%. So we have dialed back. Within that, what we have done is we have kind of reduced exposure to small caps and mid caps, just to protect from volatility. And also the additions we made was international equity, and to give diversification to Indian investors. And so that is on the equity side. On the fixed income side, what we have done is we've encouraged investors to look at opportunities in REITs or in weights to create some kind of a return profile when it comes to yield on their portfolio, because yield is hard to get right now across the world. And post-tax yields on all kind of investments are less than 3 to 4, 5%. So how do you create yield on your portfolio without damaging the quality of your portfolio? So right now we are AAA completely, largely AAA in our fixed income profiles. And as far as the little bit of diversification is concerned, is going into REITs and InvITs. We have done a little bit of what you call late stage private equity, just to give again diversification to our customers. So what we are trying to do, Neeraj, is to diversify in high quality and not really trying to add risk. At the same time, what we are trying to do is protect the customer from volatility, extreme volatility. And that is where we are positioned right now as we go in.